Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kotak Mahindra Bank account using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser first and in the web address bar, type in www.kotak.com and search. You'll end up in the home page of Kotak Mahindra Bank, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and you should see a human icon. Tap it on and as you can see that you've landed in the login area. Select your account type from the drop down and then go ahead and type in your CRN, your username or your card number. You can type in any one of the informations. Now, if you'd like the system to remember your username or any other information that you've typed in the first text box, tap on this box right here that says Remember Me. By choosing Remember Me, your login details will be saved to your device for further visits. So if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box before moving on. If you've forgotten your details, you can tap on this Need Help link and follow the instructions. After typing in your information, tap on the Next button. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and type in your password to verify that it is you who's trying to log into the account. Now, type in your password correct in the password text field. If you'd like to double check your password, simply tap on this Show link right next to the box. In case you've forgotten your password, tap on Generate Password link and follow the instructions. After typing in all of your information correct, you can simply log in by tapping on Secure Login button. And that way, you'll be able to log into your online banking account for Kotak Mahindra Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.